this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating WebVTT caption files, which is the preferred caption format for YouTube. Let's start off by opening your project in Closed Caption Creator. Make sure to review and finalize your captions before exporting. When you are ready, select Export. Then click Subtitle File. Choose your desired event group. Under File Extension, select VTT as the export format. WebVTT and Able Player DV will now be visible under Profile. Select your desired option. Insert your desired general options under More Options. And finally, click Export to save your VTT file. You have now successfully created VTT caption files for YouTube. If you found this video helpful and would like to learn more, visit our website at www.closedcaptioncreator.com.